Hi Anvik, how are you today?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm good as well. Thank you for asking. So good. We have done a video on creating a walkthrough for you know walkthrough about how to create a blog page or blog post on WordPress, right?
Yes,
So
yes,
that pretty much explained like how walkthroughs or demos can be created, right?
correct.
For a web-based application or SaaS, you could say, right?
Yes.
So today we'll be covering the topic, and that is how to create walkthroughs
Mm-hmm.
from a PowerPoint presentation or a presentation created in Google Slides or Canva, for example, right? Right,
Yes,
Anvik?
yes.
So over to you, and let's do it quickly.
All right. So last time we discussed about how we can record the sessions,
Yes,
the demo sessions using the extension. But
correct,
what about if we have a ready-made presentation? So
correct.
in that case, what we can do is just export that PDF, sorry,
Eh,
PPT to PDF.
PPT,
Yeah.
or I mean, you can export from Google Slide, right?
Yes. Or you can just create a new presentation using Canva and
Right.
export it as a PDF.
The one you did is in Canva, correct?
Correct. In my
Oh,
case, I
good.
have created a PDF using
Uh-huh.
Canva and I will just upload it here. So,
Can you show the PDF once so that I mean,
sure. So this is the PDF.
okay, so
So
the
it's
presentation got converted into a PDF, right?
correct. Yes.
Digital marketing trends in 2024.
Yeah.
That's good. A good topic. All
And
right.
it, yes, it has some couple of slides
Uh-huh.
and we will be uploading it now. So
Okay. So we
let's
need
go
to
back.
upload the whole file, right?
Correct. Yes.
Okay, please go
We
ahead.
will just click here and
Mhm.
choose the file. Now you can see the selected file, Digital Marketing Trends
Okay.
2024.pdf. And we
Okay.
will click the preview to see
Okay.
like how the things are looking.
Uh-huh.
So it's rendering the PDF pages and you can
Okay.
see that the pages are now loaded.
Okay.
So
So
what we
is
will
it,
do,
are you able to navigate using the clicks or
it's automated.
scroll?
Yeah.
Scroll? Oh, okay. Fine. All right. Fair enough.
All right. So now what we will do is we will click on confirm.
Mm-hmm.
So what it will do is it will convert that PDF to the demo
Video?
flow.
Okay.
Correct.
Good, 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 good.
Now
All
it's
right.
done. So
Perfect.
similar to the one we created for WordPress in our last
Mhm.
videos, we can put the description in here as well.
Let's do it quickly. Come on.
Yeah. So it
It's
had
it's so
five.
exciting.
Yeah, it had 5 slides. So
Uh-huh.
now we will just put some descriptions like,
Let's start with the title. Like, I mean,
yeah.
uh,
So the title will be same as digital marketing trends.
okay, 2024, right?
Yeah.
Good.
And we will give the descriptions.
Sure.
Welcome to our
And once again,
presentation.
the text that we are putting in here would be spoken by the avatar, right?
Correct.
Okay,
Yes.
good. Please go ahead.
About digital marketing trends 2024.
Okay,
And in the next page, we are explaining about key digital marketing trends. So let's
okay,
just write here about here are some key marketing trends. And in the
okay.
next page, we will be writing,
And we can actually insert elements, right?
yeah, we can.
Okay, good.
Since it's like you have designed it pretty well, so we don't need any elements. Otherwise, if it's a screenshot or let's say something which needs attention more, we can just add an arrow, text box, or some
Sure.
overlays.
Good.
Right. And in this page, we will be writing voice search optimization and social commerce. Here
Okay.
are some points about voice search optimization
Optimization and social commerce.
and social commerce. And
Okay.
going next, we will be
Shall
doing,
we uh, shall we add some elements in the previous one
yes, we
or
can.
good.
Like, let's just do an arrow
Okay.
and Or maybe let's just add another point in the slide.
Sure.
We can go with text box,
Mm-hmm.
drag it here,
Okay.
and increase the size of the text.
Mm-hmm.
And here, let's write, what should we write? It's the points are interactive engagement, 24/7 availability, consistent messaging, scalability, and cost effective. And let's say about AI advancements
All right. That's it.
and some details about it.
Sure.
Like we can use modern AI tools.
Perfect.
For now, it's fine.
Okay. Yep.
And let's we can also bold the text and adjust
Make
it a
it
little
bold.
bit.
Yeah, absolutely. All right.
Right
Perfect. So yes,
now,
essentially you're demonstrating that we can add additional
correct.
text to.
Yes.
Okay. Good.
Now the point is DemoDazzle for interactive walkthroughs.
Sure.
So here is the introduction of DemoDazzle. Well, it's not an introduction, but let's change that. Here's the
Like
um,
how demo. Let's see how demo dazzle can be used.
how DemoDazzle
Can
can
be
be
used
used
for interactive
for
walkthroughs.
interactive walkthroughs.
Okay.
Moving ahead,
Mhm.
here's our ending page. So let's
Hope
say,
let's say hope you liked it.
hope you
Liked it.
liked it.
Yeah, that's it.
All right, so that's it. And we will click on done. And let's
Good.
just wait for the video to generate
Sure.
and we are ready.
Oh, that was very quick. Very quick.
Yeah.
Right. Let's uh let's see how the avatar. You're going to create a demo session, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So now we are ready with our session. So let's just go ahead and
Hmm.
maybe change this one. We will go here
Okay.
and here we had two.
All
Let's
right.
just add another
Okay.
and say, it's not a module, but let's just go ahead with mm, marketing tips.
Yep.
Choose this and update.
Okay.
Now let's create a session.
Hmm.
Let's name it marketing.
Okay.
Hello there, I am your guide for this session.
Okay.
Now let's do start session.
Here
Hmm.
is the homepage of WordPress.
That was the
This is the
WordPress thing,
one.
To
right?
get
Yeah.
started,
So
click on the
now
Get
what we can
Started
do is we
button.
can just skip
Connect
to
with
this module.
Welcome
Okay.
to our presentation
Oh,
about
that
Digital
looks
Marketing
very good.
Trends 2024.
Mm.
Here are
It's
some key
amazing.
marketing trends.
Yeah.
Here are some points about voice search optimization and social commerce. How DemoDazzle can be used for interactive walkthroughs. Hope you liked it.
And that's it.
Oh, very good.
And let's
And
just,
in the similar way, we can ask questions, right?
yeah, correct. We can ask
Uh,
the questions about
yeah.
the
You
marketing
know,
related things as well.
we may have new viewers. So can we just put a question or two?
Yeah. So let's just go ahead with
How how DemoDazzle? Let it be long. It's fine. How
right.
DemoDazzle can be used for digital marketing?
Please give me a moment. Sure thing. DemoDazzle can be a game changer for your digital marketing. Here's how. 1. Interactive demos. Showcase your product's features with engaging hands-on demos. It's like
The
giving
response is
customers a
very
test
quick.
drive online.
Correct. Yeah.
2. Lead generation. Capture potential customer info during demos. You get valuable leads while they learn about your product. 3. Analytics. Track how users interact with your demos. You'll get insights into what catches their eye and where they drop off. 4. Personalization. Tailor demos to different audience segments. Show each group exactly what they need to see. 5. Shareability. Make your demos easy to share on social media. More shares mean more eyes on your product. In short,
The only thing is like if
DemoDazzle
you
helps you
share a
create
lot,
engaging, informative content that can
that
attract and convert
it will actually
customers.
keep track of the number of hours used, right? So
Yeah.
we cannot just share it on social media because it'll add on to the amount,
Yes,
right?
I mean the details could have been inaccurate because we did not provide the information of DemoDazzle because this assistant was created for WordPress and not for
Right.
DemoDazzle. So that
Yeah.
was fine. It was still pretty much accurate. So that
Right.
was cool.
Absolutely. So that's good. I mean, let's wind up here and, I mean, let people watch and give us feedback.
Sure.
Right. All
Yeah.
right. Thanks for this session, Anvi.
Thank you very much.
Bye bye.